Another nice walk in the cemetery.
Wait, we kick off while we're exercising. This week in preparation for our pending snow is to make sure the ducks are squared away for the bad weather. So what we do is we've got a tank heater that we purchased at Tractor Supply. I don't know, anywhere from $20 to $40. I don't remember exactly how much it costs. But we plug that in and plug it into the outlet at the house so that we can make sure that the ducks have nice unfrozen water for them to swim around and play in and drink when it's snowing. Normally we do keep separate water for them to drink. However, at this point we don't have a way to keep it from freezing because for some reason they're freaked out by the metal stainless steel bowls, the water bowls that we can put on the heater to keep it from freezing. They won't drink out of it. They don't like it. So anyway, this is what we do in a pinch temporarily to make sure our girls are taken care of during the bad weather. Bye, girls. Oh, we'll be back to give them some oats too. They love oats and we give them as a treat, but then also when it's going to be really cold or bad weather, that extra in their system helps with their metabolism and is said to help keep them warm. So especially before they go to bed at night, we'll make sure that they have extra oats. And I've also put extra bedding in their house for them so that they have some extra insulation and warmth. Plus they're ducks, they're very well insulated. They're wearing down coats. They'll be fine. But anyway, this is one of the things we had to do this week on the homestead to make sure our girls are taken care of. Oh, you saw your daddy walk by.
Yeah. Time to get some. I'll give them to her. Okay. You little pigs.
Little pigs, little pigs.
Getting ready for the winter storm there, girls? So this is our cypress tree. Yep.
That's deceiving.
Yep.
I thought it was lighter. Did you tell them what we're going to do with it?
Nope.
So we've got a company that's going to come and mill these into boards for us. And we hope to line a closet with the cedar boards, and if there's anything left, we'll make some furniture. That's so pretty there. That would make a really cool table.
Mm-hmm.
It wasn't. Is that rotten on the inside?
No. It's just the way that cypress grows.
Okay, really pretty.
Yep.
Really pretty. But the company that's going to mill it for us told us, and this is a tip to pass along, that if you have wood like this waiting to be milled, you need to paint the ends with either anchor seal, which they sell at Lowe's or Home Depot. It's specifically to keep wood from drying out too quickly. Or you can mix a 50-50 of latex paint and water and paint the ends to keep it from drying out unevenly and the wood from checking, making it difficult.
Like that.
So, anyway, that's what we'll be doing next, is painting the ends and then trying to figure out a way to get this stuff moved because it is heavy. I wonder if we can just roll them along. If they're not here, I wonder if we can just roll them.
Yeah. Yep, that's what we can do.
All right, we'll give it a try.
Mm-hmm.
All right, out for our morning stroll.
Another nice walk in the cemetery.
We kick off while we're exercising. We'll be right here.
Yeah. Uh-oh.